Hi and welcome to the features and benefits video for the Elinz 3-inch LCD dual dash camera system. This video is just going to cover some of the features and benefits that this dash camera provides to users. So we'll go through them now. Probably the first big point is that the Elinz 3-inch LCD dual dash camera system uses a front camera that provides 1296p video quality. So this is ultra high definition video quality, very useful for when you need to record videos that have a lot of detail. And that's really important for when you are going along and you need to record or see someone's license plate if you're involved in an accident. The 1296p quality is going to allow you to see those finer details such as license plate numbers. The second feature of this dash camera system is that it uses Wi-Fi connectivity with your smartphone to enable you to download videos and photos from the dash camera. This is really good because you don't have to take out the micro SD card and put it into a computer to upload those videos. You also don't have to connect a cable to it in order to access those videos. You can do it via your Wi-Fi on your smartphone, access the videos and photos remotely, and download them to your smartphone as well. Another benefit of the Elinz 3-inch LCD dual dash camera system is that you also have the rear dash camera that offers a good quality video as well. So not only can you record what's in front of you, you can also record what's behind you, and that's really good for when you're involved in an accident with someone hitting you from behind. It enables you to see what's going on and record what has happened behind you. This dual dash camera system also features a G sensor function, so if the car is involved in a prang or if it experiences a bump while it is stationary, it will automatically turn the dash camera on and record the video and possibly even take photos. It also has a motion sensor detection system, so if it senses motion in front or behind, it will start recording an emergency recording session, so then that way you know if something's going on around the car, you're able to record that moment and see what happened. This also has a parking mode function, so when your car is off, the Elinz dual camera system has a battery in it that allows you to use the dash camera while the vehicle is switched off. This enables you to record anything that may happen while you're away from the car, such as an incident in a car park or someone touching or damaging your car while it is parked up and you are away from it. That's about it for the features and benefits for the Elinz 3-inch dual LCD dual dash camera system. Thank you for watching this video.